If you've spent any time on the internet, chances are you've come across a form or two. Forms are an essential building block for many websites, and choosing the right form builder plays a crucial role in creating a positive experience for the visitors to your site. Welcome to Breakdown, where we break down the things that help you build. My name's Dustin, and today we're breaking down form builders. If you've ever ordered something online, registered for a website, or even sent in a support ticket, then you already have some experience using web forms. In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can create stylish yet easy to use forms with the most popular form builder for WordPress, Gravity Forms. From contact forms to employment application forms, you'll find forms everywhere on the internet. While it's possible to build forms yourself, many websites and businesses use Gravity Forms due to its ease of use, flexibility, and accessibility. One major advantage you get with Gravity Forms is access to form templates for some of the most common form types. Every Gravity Forms license comes with unlimited access to these templates that you can add to your WordPress site for free. I've included a link to the template library in the video description. You can also customize templates or create your own forms using the form editor. In this video, I'm going to start with the newsletter sign-up form template. The form editor is divided into two columns. On the right-hand side of the page, you can add fields to your form and change the field settings. On the left-hand side of the page, you can arrange the layout of the form, including changing the order and size of each field. Currently, this form has fields for the user's name and email address, as well as a checkbox for our privacy policy and a CAPTCHA field to help prevent spam. I'm going to modify this form to give the user the ability to opt in to text updates. First, I'm going to add a radio buttons field by clicking and dragging it to where I want it to appear on the form. If you click on a field, you can easily modify its settings on the right side of the page. The field label allows you to modify the title of the field that the user will see when they fill out the form. I'll use the field label to ask the user if they would like to receive text updates, and change the field choices to simple yes and no responses. Now, underneath this field, I'm going to add a phone field for the user to enter their phone number. I want to do a few things with this field. First, I'm going to click and drag the right side of the field to resize it so that it takes up less room on the page. Next, I want to make it so that this field only appears if the user answers yes to the radio field above. I can easily do this by going to the field settings for the phone field and enabling conditional logic. With conditional logic, I can set this field to only show if all of the following match. The field, "Would you like to receive text updates?" is yes. Conditional logic is a great way to personalize your forms for the user. In this case, the user will only see the phone field if they wish to opt in to text updates. Finally, I'm going to use the field settings to set the phone field to required. Now, if the user opts in to text updates, they will be required to enter their phone number before the form can be submitted. Alright, I'm going to save my form and see how it looks on a live page. Awesome, the form looks great. My phone field only appears if I opt into text notifications, and all of the required fields need to be filled out before the form can be submitted. Newsletters are just one of many form types you can use to engage with visitors to your site. Forms open the door for communication between you and your users and are often integral to the growth of your website. We've only scratched the surface on what you can do with Gravity Forms, so if you'd like to learn more, please consider subscribing to the channel and turning on notifications so you don't miss a video. And if you have any questions or requests for future videos, please be sure to let us know in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching.